Creating a summary task in Microsoft Project helps organize and group related tasks, providing a high-level overview of project phases. Here's how to make a summary task. Open Microsoft Project. Start the application. Launch Microsoft Project and open your project file. Add tasks. Enter tasks. Input the tasks you want to include under the summary task in the task name column. Ensure these tasks are sequential and logically grouped. Create the summary task. Insert a summary task. Click on the row where you want to insert the summary task. Right-click and select Insert Task to create a new row above or below the selected task. Name the summary task. Enter a name for the summary task in the task name column. This will be the overarching task grouping your related tasks. Outline tasks. Indent subtasks. Select the tasks you want to group under the summary task. Click the Indent Task button in the Task tab. This makes the selected task subtasks of the summary task. Review the summary task. Automatic aggregation. The summary task will now aggregate the duration, start and finish dates of its subtasks, displaying an overall summary of the group. Adjust formatting. Use the Format tab to adjust the appearance of your summary tasks and subtasks as needed.